Hello students, today I am going to discuss about graphs. Okay, so let's come to the point without any delay. So first thing, now I am draw two perpendicular line. These two perpendicular line and give name x. It is O x dash y O y dash. Okay, and this O refers origin like center. Okay, it is origin. O that means origin. And the line x o x dash is called x axis, y o y dash is called y axis. Okay, so this line called x axis and this line is called y axis. So there are four part, one part, two part, three part, fourth part. First part is called first quadrant, UARDRNT quadrant. Okay, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. It is second quadrant, it is third quadrant, and it is fourth quadrant. And why the name of the chapter is graph? Because always we draw the axis on the graph paper. Okay, so graph paper, two types of graph paper are there. One is centimeter graph and one is inch graph. That means this type of graph paper is there. Okay, so these are the small division. Okay, if the length of one small division or side of of small one square if is 1 centimeter, then it's called centimeter graph. And if the small division, length of small division is inch, then it's called inch graph. Okay, so in this way graph paper is given. So we draw two axes here, two axes, and the small division is very small. That means if we take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, 2 unit, here the distance is more bigger, but in actual graph paper the distance is smaller. So we take in this way, three small division equal to 1 unit, then other three 2 unit. In this way we have to go. So we take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and x prime, that means, or x dash, that means this side the negative values. Okay, it is 0. From right side we write the all positive values, from left side we write the all negative values, like number line. Okay, in number line we have already seen that the middle point is 0, and we write the positive values in right side and we write the negative values in left side. Okay, left side. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. Okay, in this way. Similarly, in OX direction, OY direction, we give the positive values, and in OY dash direction, we give the negative values. So similar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. Okay. Okay. In graph paper, we can use in this. We can draw in this way. 5 or 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter equal to 1 unit. That means 5 centimeter. That means distance. Okay. Or 2 inch equal to 1 unit as per requirement. Okay. So we give the number 1 2, or we taking the unit 1 unit distance according to the values or according to the graph paper in a such way so that the graph paper like looks good, and 1 2 we can write 1 2 in that gaps. Okay, in the gaps we can write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Otherwise, if the small division is very closer, then 1 2 3 we cannot write it in this way. Okay, so as per requirement we have to take 5 centimeter equal to 1 unit. That means 1 2 3 4. Okay, in graph paper you can see, because length of the graph paper more or less A4 size, and there are so many small division. So if you take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, then it's not like good. So 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter equal to 1 unit as per the values given. If the values uh, later I will discuss about the coordinate. So if the values given for 15,20, so we need at least 20 small division. Okay, wait. So as per requirement we take 1 unit 2 unit. Okay, so it is more or less 5 centimeter equal to 1 unit, or 2 inch or 3 inch equal to 1 unit, then it's like look good. Okay, next thing. So till now I have discussed about x-axis, y-axis, and coordinate. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, next, coordinate. 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 Coordinate, that means the position of a point, or we have to define a point by its coordinate. So coordinate, we have to write the coordinate in pair with x comma y. Okay, in first bracket x, that means the distance the distance distance from y-axis. If it is the point P, so the distance from y-axis on the point P. Okay, I write here point of this coordinate, that means x comma y. So it is x and it is y. Okay, so x comma y, that means the distance from y axis is x and the distance from x axis is y. Okay, and y is the distance from x axis. Okay, and this value x is called abscissa. Okay, spelling abscissa. abscissa abscissa. And y is called ordinate. Okay, So how to uh, put one point in graph paper? So first, x, if the coordinate of the point is x comma y, so first we go x unit in x axis, okay, x unit on x axis, then y unit upwards. Okay, let us, I give example, I will explain it with an example. Now if the point is 5 comma 6, that means we go towards the positive part of x axis 5 unit, so 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and 6, that means distance from x axis, so from here we go 6 unit. In graph paper this kind of line given, so there is no problem to count the 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in this way, this type of paper, graph paper given, or you put, you will put the point on this type of graph paper. So 5 comma 6, so 5, first we go 5 unit on positive x axis, so positive direction of x axis, so 5 here, then now 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, that means 6. So it is the point, it is the point 5 comma 6, that means the value, first value given in positive, second value also given in positive, so all points in first quadrant given in this way, positive positive. The, if the point given both abscissa and ordinate in positive, then the point lies on first coordinate, okay. Now if the point is minus 6 comma minus 7, so minus 6, that means in negative direction, so in this way, so minus 6 here, next minus 7, that means either upwards or downwards, okay. First x value, x comma y, so we go x value either right towards the right or towards the left, and for ordinate we go either upwards or downwards. It is depend the value given in negative, the value is given in negative or positive, so here the value is given in negative, so negative, that means towards the left, so 6 here, minus 6 here, and minus 7, that means downward, so minus 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6, minus 7, like here, so the point lies here. So from here it is clear, if the point given negative comma negative, the sign of the number negative negative, then the point lies on third quadrant, okay. The point lies on third quadrant, that means x is negative, value of y is also given in negative. Similar, for this quadrant we need to go left, towards the left, then upwards, so for towards the left the value must given in negative, and for upwards the value must given in positive, so all points on second quadrant given like positive then negative, that means value of x, the points, if the point lies on second quadrant, then value of x is negative and value of y is positive. Similar, for the points of fourth quadrant, first we go towards the right, that means value must be given in positive, then downwards, that means negative. So value of the points of fourth quadrant given like positive then negative. Okay. Okay, rough, and again draw the coordinate. So what is the gist of this discussion? X of x prime, that means prime defines negative here. Y of y prime, so it is first quadrant, the second quadrant, third quadrant, and it is fourth quadrant. So we have seen the points on first quadrant positive positive, the point on second quadrant positive negative, the point on third quadrant negative negative, the point of fourth quadrant positive negative. Now if the question is minus 5 comma 6 lies on dash quadrant, then what is the answer? So we can easily give the answer. So my first value is given in minus, second value is this one negative positive, not positive negative. So first one give in negative, second one positive. That means the point lies on second quadrant. Okay. So if any point given in the question, then you can easily you can easily find the point lies on which quadrant. So I think there is no problem for the position, for the define the position of any coordinate or any point. So it is clear. Now how to we 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. And one thing, the distance between any gap is equal. That means distance between this one and distance between this one equal. That means if distance from here to here 5 centimeter, then distance from here to here also 5 centimeter. That means all distance between all gaps are equal. Okay. So if the question is put the point on graph paper minus 8 comma minus 9. So minus 8, that means we go towards the left. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So first we go according to x coordinate or according to abscissa. So minus 8, then minus 9. Minus 9, that means downward. So here also line is given in graph paper. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is the position of the point whose coordinate is minus 8 comma minus 9. In this way we can put the point in graph paper easily. Okay. I think there is no much more for the exercise 21A. Yes, I think this is enough for first exercise. Okay, another thing, if the question is x comma y is lies on dash coordinate, then if x greater than 0, y less than 0. So x greater than 0, that means positive, y less than 0, that means negative. So in which coordinates shows that the points are first x points are positive, comma negative. So in fourth quadrant, so the point lies on fourth quadrant. Okay, very easy. And coordinate of origin, that means x coordinate, that means in x toward the axis we not go 1 unit or 2 units. So towards the x axis 0, upward or downward also 0. So coordinate of origin, coordinate of origin is 0 comma 0. Okay, I think it is enough for solve the first exercise. Okay, so for today it is enough. Next day I will discuss another thing related to graph. Tata.